Welcome to my channel. My name is Boy, and today we will unbox and review the new trigger handle from SmallRig for Sony mirrorless cameras. So that's how it's supposed to look. Made of handcrafted rose wood, comfortable and attractive. Applied in handheld shooting and shoulder mounting system. Let's see. Can see here already. Little cord, love that. Love that's USB-C and on the side like this. Here it is. That's it. Very simple, super nice, and it feels good. You can screw on your base, on your rig, and it's gonna be steady. I can see there is a little grip here. Love that. And you can adjust here, make tighter as well. I assume that this go here, clean, go on the HDMI and clean. I need to say this design fits perfect in my hand. Fits nice and looks good. I love the red here, the red detail. I think it's sick. Looks kind of like a Iron Man style, you know what I mean? Look at this, sick. And there is the line here, literally for the fingers. Super nice, and it feels like very good. It's one of those things that is just like you need to go back and forth to do things because you're holding here or you're holding on the top handle and stuff. And I think this saves a little bit of time, especially if you want to focus on other things. You're just holding the camera and record and stop. There was a little thing here inside, which is this little LQP05107A hex spanner, USB cable and hex spanner. That's it. So you can tie this like even tighter. Very nice. It would be cool if they had different colors as well instead of just wood. Can you imagine? I have like a black camera and then you have like a black wood, like with gold button. It would be sick. Or like white would be dirty too much, but just ideas, you know. So I just screwed this here. I would recommend you to put this just in the hole and just keep twisting until it comes to this point over here. If I press this, it's gonna record. If I press this, it's gonna stop. I love the design and how it sits in the hand. Very solid, doesn't move, doesn't go anywhere. Super cool if I wanna get like different angles, very steady. Definitely have 2 points of control, and it's gonna make things very smooth because it's a heavier setup as well, so it should help you with the instability. But another thing that I would recommend is put the USB-C facing front, the cord, because if you put back, the cord is gonna go in the front of your screen, which is okay, but just to keep things a little bit more tidy and you can see everything here if you need. Goes right in the front of my camera, go across, around, and perfect here on the other side. Everything is gonna be on the link description down below. If you wanna purchase one of those affiliate link, you're gonna be able to support this channel as well. Let me know what you think in the comment down below. If you have any product that you think that's gonna be cool for me to review, let me know. My information here is gonna be in the description down below as well. Thank you very much. Leave your like to tell the algorithm that this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.